Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do another road trip. Not sure if I'm going to get to Greve in Chianti. It's a bit late and the weather is not that great. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to do a time lapse to get there, and my plan is there is a park, so it should be nice maybe to take a walk around and have a nice ride too. Hopefully it doesn't rain. So I'll do the time lapse and I'll see you there. So I got some pastry. I wanted to show you the square here in Impruneta. So this is the square. It's a nice tower, the church, and this a huge square. And there the historic center down there. I parked down there. Very cool. It's one of the largest square in Tuscany, I think, which is really, really cool. Unfortunately, the day is not that great. There is a lot of clouds. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Anyway, this is a nice road trip in Impruneta. And maybe I'm going to a park that is behind there, behind the hill. And we'll see if I get some more shots from there. Okay, let's try to park and see how it goes with the park assist. I have a strange parking spot now between a car, a Vespa, and some plants here on the right side. Okay. Okay, let's see how it goes. Looks good. Looks good. Not hitting the curb here on the right side. Okay, and the plants maybe a little bit. Okay, now straight. I would say pretty good. Yeah, nice park. Anyway, the road trip was pretty nice. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't that great. Uh, just clouds and stuff. But the temperature is warm. It's 14 degrees Celsius, and it's February. Should be like 0. Anyway, everything else went well. Car is great. I might need to do some charge maybe tomorrow or in the coming days. And that's it. Please subscribe to the channel, put a like, share, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.